Hi guys, this is a quick review of the Chuwi HI12 tablet PC. Windows 10, Android 5.1 version. Both can boot in both ways, and it's a quad-core, 1.4 GHz, very nice retina screen, 2160 by 1440, very good screen. The screen actually comes as a Samsung screen built for the Surface 3. That's one of the reasons that made me really think about this compared to other tablets. And 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of RAM. But anyway, you know the specs. If you're looking for this item, you just want to possibly know, does it work well? Well, I bought together even the keyboard from Gearbest, and in this setting, it's a laptop. You will enjoy the features of this tablet exactly as if it was a laptop. You don't really see the difference between these and a normal laptop. It's a 12-inch, so it's a decent size. I have attached a wireless mouse, but just for this demonstration we're going to just use a normal touchpad, which honestly, this keyboard as well, let me review it together with the tablet. It's a brilliant product as well. So let's start from the tablet first. So of course you can remove, and what I've done personally, I've put the automatic switch to tablet mode as I remove the keyboard. Very bright screen. This now is 50% of brightness, and okay, as you can see, my screen went black. Now we're gonna speak about this. I've received this item with this problem. So my screen does this. It goes black. So I've contacted the customer care, and they've told me to send the item back. But of course, you have to pay for shipments, and it does cost around $50 to send it back, and then you have to pay your customs again when it comes back. So they also proposed me to keep the item, and they would send me another one for a cheaper price. I won't tell you how much, but it was definitely worth it to get another one. So now it's a bit annoying, but I'm waiting for the new one to come. But I've noticed that basically it's just a hardware problem. There must be a connection here, because there's a press here, it comes back. So what I'm gonna do, as soon as the other one comes, I'll try to send this to be fixed to a local technical guy, and I'm pretty sure that then I'll basically have two tablets that works very well. So apart from this, I think it's interesting possibly to know that this could happen. When you do buy from China, possibly the quality control is not as good as with others. But what I've noticed is that with Gearbest specifically, the client is treated with dignity, I must say. They do value your opinion, and they want you to be happy with the product. Okay, going back to the tablet, it works very well, and flawlessly. You can do your normal operations, and it works very well. It's smooth. I don't use it much in Android, but apparently works as well. It does what you ask him to do. So it's a very, very good tablet, and it works as a PC too. Has the very interesting thing, I'm sure you know already. It has two full-size USB ports. One is a USB 3, the other one is a USB 2. In the middle here you have your mini USB. Let me zoom in a little bit. You have your mini USB to charge, SD card, up to 128 gigs, HDMI port, and then your normal jack for your audio. So I love this because I love photography, and I take these with me in vacation, and I offload my pictures directly here, and I can also play with them a little bit. I have a free program that you can find on the internet, or if you like Photoshop, you can do your basic photoshopping on these and it won't blink, it won't give you any trouble. It's a very, very nice tablet, very smooth operation on it. I've tried even some gaming. I don't know if at the moment I have actually any. Possibly I can show you how it loads the game. This is a GT Racing 2, and now it's loading the game. Another very nice thing of these tablet is the audio. Audio is quite good. You will enjoy even your gaming experience, I must say. And you'll have the possibility of also have some fun with the gaming. It's pretty smooth, I must say. It's very good for the price. Of course, now there's a little bit of reflection here, but the quality is very good. Right. So as you can see, it is smooth operation. I'm driving with one hand now. But it's smooth. It works very well. Okay, let's stop this now. Now, a quick thing about the keyboard as well. I want to review these on the same video. This keyboard has a very good build quality. I was surprised, honestly, for $40. If you see the edge, it's all aluminum, nicely finished edge. The touchpad is multi-touch, so you can do some nice setup there. And also the click feels very good. The travel on the keyboard is also very nice. And I find that the two really do complete each other. It's a very, very nice set. So do I recommend this item? 100%. I would also recommend you get the Stylus. I bought the Stylus for this for tablet as well. What is very nice about it is that with OneNote or any other program, you can really draw or do whatever you like, but the Stylus makes the difference as well. You can use it basically as a separate mouse because it has two buttons on it, and it works very well. Let me fetch it quick. Here it is. Sorry, I didn't prepare this for the video. Here's the Stylus, $15. This is still on Gearbest, and here you have your two buttons that basically works exactly the same as your mouse. So as you touch on an item, it will basically do exactly what it does on with your mouse. Okay. So if I touch there with basically the right click, it will open the window, and then I can decide. And I think the Stylus also works great. 259 different impulse that gives. So basically it means that when you have your OneNote open, let me quickly open it for you. So we review even the Stylus now. It's a good application to test it. We open a new page, And the nice cool thing about this, let me just zoom a little bit more here. Of course, as any stylus, you can go very light, and as you press, it will build up the pressure that you put on the screen. So if you're a good drawer and not very good, you will really enjoy this stylus. And then you can also use it as a rubber. As you touch the top button, it will function as a rubber. So very, very nice, all in one tablet. You can use it for anything you like, as a PC and as a tablet that you can use every day. Very light as well, very portable. Just a little bit sad that had this problem with the screen. I would have possibly give it 10 points out of 10, but you see, when I take it off there, I have to press on the top left of the screen to make it come back. Well, it happens, things are not perfect, but Gearbest will send me a new one soon. Hopefully that will work perfectly, and then I can fix this one and possibly resell it. I hope you enjoyed this review. All the best. Thanks for watching.